Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. So, my dear students, today is our ninth lesson from the topic Why must we wear seat belts? Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to solve some exercise questions. Before starting our today's lesson, hold your pencils, keep your English textbooks with you. Today's task. Today we have to solve the exercise of page number 115, 116 and a little part of page 117. So, before starting, you have to write day, date and today's task on these three pages. On page number 115, Understanding Better Part B. Complete the following sentences with the words from the box. We have to complete the given sentences with the help of words given in this box. The words are seats, properly, explain, inside, fly off. Let's see where these words are suitable. First one is, I will answer the question if you dash it to me. If you explain it to me. The driver stopped the car suddenly, making us dash from our seats, making us fly off from our seats. Third one is we all went inside when it started raining. Sit dash or you will fall off the chair. Sit properly. Fifth one is all the dash in the theatre were full. All the seats in the theatre were full. On the same page, next is let's look. Fill in the blanks with words from the box above. Again, we are having a box with some words. We have to fill them in the appropriate blanks. The first one is, can I have dash coffee please? Can I have some coffee please? Number 2 is, you can sit dash, the teacher told the boy. You can sit here. Third one is, dash is going to the park. Who is going to the park? I like to play dash my ball. I like to play with my ball. Dash will we have our annual holidays? The children asked their mother. बच्चों ने अम्मी से पूछा. Dash will we have our annual holidays? When will we have our annual holidays? Sixth one is, some dash like tea, some like coffee. Some people like tea, some like coffee. कुछ लोगों को चाय पसंद होती है, कुछ लोगों को कॉफी. Seventh one is, it is raining outside. That is why I have to stay indoors today. Next is think and answer. Why do you think helmets are important for people who drive a scooter? Yes, as you know that we have read that safety belts are important while we are driving in a car. So, here they are asking why helmets are important for people who drive a scooter. So, first of all, you will draw a line under this question. Now, let's write the answer. Helmets are important for people to protect their heads. I am repeating the answer. Helmets are important for people to protect their heads. लोगों के सर की हिफाजत के लिए हेलमेट्स पहनना जरूरी है. Now turn to page number 116. Let's learn grammar. Look at the pictures. In these pictures, everyone in the picture is wearing something as a safety measure. Someone is wearing a mask, gloves, helmet, or someone is holding an umbrella, right? As we have seen the pictures, we have to solve this question with the help of those pictures. Choose from the box and complete the blanks. Here are some words. With the help of these words, we have to fill the blanks. The first one is the lady is wearing an dash while cooking. In the first picture, you can see the lady is wearing an apron as a safety measure. So write down apron in the first blank. A scooter driver wears a dash to protect his head. A scooter driver wears a helmet. We use an dash when the sun is blazing at noon. We use an umbrella. The baker takes out the cake from the oven with gloves on his hands. Now turn to page number 117. The fifth part is the man is sweeping the road with a dash tied over his mouth with a cloth. Sixth one is a surgeon wears a dash when he operates a patient. A surgeon wears a mask. Seventh one is mountaineers wear an oxygen mask when they climb a mountain. They have to wear oxygen mask because they have to climb so high. Next is your task. Your home task is you have to learn exercise of page number 115, 116 and a little part of page number 117 as we have done in today's task. Learn all the questions by heart. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. I will see you soon with the next one. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.